front of you as a parrot, as I will tell you about me and my features. We are of three types, namely cockatoos, true parrots and Zealand parrots. I am a tropical bird and I live in warm places. I am an intelligent bird as I can mimic human speech. I live in the bills of trees. I eat fruits such as grapes, berries, mangoes, as well as leaves and crops. We have a gorgeous appearance with beautiful green body covered with soft feathers and two green wings, a black circle around our necks, a long feathery tail, and a thick red beak which is a little bent. I am very friendly in nature. Do you know that I am endangered? We have been exploited by humans by being kept in small cages, and due to deforestation, we have become endangered. I live in trees, so don't cut trees. Let me fly in the cool breeze. Thanks for watching. If you all liked my video, then give it a big thumbs up. Or smash that subscribe button. Ring the notification bell. Bye friends. Have fun. We will meet in the next video.